Hello students, let us begin with exercise 6.3. That is the first problem, and the second and the third I have already written the questions on the board. Fine. So previously I think when I solved examples there, before to this exercise 6.3, there I think we had used the linear inequalities like x is greater than equal to 0 and y is greater than equal to 0. Fine. So there I think I told you that the solution region, even it is considered in the first quadrant as well as the line on the points, all the points on the line on the x as well as y axis. So down you can write even a statement there, that is, since x is greater than equal to 0, all the solution region of all the points on the line is included. Even like that you can write. Okay. See that you are going to write that statement for the solved example for 14th one as well as the 15th one. I will be just repeating it. Since x is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0, every point in the shaded region in the first quadrant represents a solution of given system of inequalities. You need to write this statement. Okay? Fine. Now let us move on with the exercise problems. So I have already written certain questions on the board. Okay? Let us go on solving it. So the first one is x greater than equal to 3. And next one is y greater than equal to 2. You can even bifurcate it as case 1 and case 2. Okay. So this will be x is equal to 3, which is nothing but equality, and inequality is nothing but x greater than equal to 3. Because in the previous exercise as well as the solved examples, I had written each and every step how you need to represent the graph for 5 marks. So here directly I am just writing. You can write here equality and inequality. So here the first coordinate point will be a is equal to 3, 0. Okay. Now just substitute 0, 0. So it will be 0 greater than equal to 3. So 0 is not greater than equal to 3. Therefore, it is false. Or even you can write it does not satisfy also. The solution region lies away from origin. This is the first one. Okay. Next, the second one, y is equal to 2 and y is greater than equal to 2. So this will be your b coordinate point, which is nothing but 0, 2. And this originality, so 0 is greater than equal to 2. Obviously it is false. The solution region lies away from origin. Is it clear? So now let us plot the graph for both of the inequalities. So x-axis and y-axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now just check a coordinate, it is nothing but 3, 0, and b coordinate is nothing but 0, 2. Now just check the inequality. Here inequalities are, for the first one it is greater than equal to 3. So as it is greater than equal to, it will be a bonded line. Okay. Next one, just check with y is equal to 2. The same thing, inequality is greater than equal to. So here also it will be a bonded line. Fine. I have directly first plotted the points on the graph and later I have just drawn the lines. Okay. I think previously I just drawn each and every line first, later shaded. Here directly first I drawn the bonded lines. Fine. Now let us move on with the shaded part, that is the solution region of each and every inequality. So here first one it states it is false. So when it is false, it moves away from the origin. See that how I am representing, the same manner you will be representing the graph Clear for you all? Next one, B 0, 2. So as it lies away from the origin, I think it is very easy and simple for you all. Hope you are understanding whatever it is taught here on the board. Now can you just check this part, which is common for both the inequalities. So this is nothing but called as feasible region or unique, right? Solution region. This is your 5 marks question. So obviously you will be getting 5 marks. If you understand each and every step, okay, then it is very easy for you all to write the answer. Either you can write it as case 1, case 2 and later you can solve it systematically. Now next one, 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 12. X is greater than or equal to 1 and y is greater than or equal to 2. Fine? So the same one, I will just writing it in the form of case 1. It is preferably you just write like this in the exam, okay? 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. So when x is equal to 0, I think y are getting 6, which is nothing but b is equal to 0, 6. Fine. Next, case 2. I think we left out with one more, that is when y is equal to 0. So what it is going to be here? This will be 0, 3 4s are 12. So I think I can write x value as 4. So a is nothing but 4, 0. Okay. Then we will move with the inequality. So 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 12. So we will be substituting 0, 0. So here I will be getting 0 is less than or equal to 12. Obviously 0 is less than or equal to 12. Therefore it is true the solution region lies towards origin. Okay, hope you have understood this. I am taking much more care and I am solving each and every problem. See that when you have understood, you are not going to check the whole video. Hardly where you are getting stuck, you can just open up the video once link and just go through whether whatever you have solved is right or wrong. Okay, and the next one. X is equal to 1 and x is greater than or equal to 1. So here as we have already written a and b, I will be considering this as c, 1, 0. So this will be 0 greater than or equal to 1. Obviously it is false statement. The solution region lies away from origin. Okay. Next we'll move on with the third inequality which is given here. Y is equal to 2 and y is greater than or equal to 2. So this will be your D coordinate, which is nothing but 0, 2. Okay. Make sure when you are writing, especially when you are getting the values of x and y, when you are getting x and y, it will be like first x value, then it will be 0, that is x, 0. When you are getting y coordinate point, so it will be 0, y. Don't just interchange the coordinate points and just write it, okay? Especially with these points which I am saying, the coordinate points of A, B and C. Here inside x, y, okay? 0 is greater than or equal to 2. Therefore it is false inequalities. Here it is 6, 4, 1 and 2. So 6, I think it is on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the first inequality, A coordinate is nothing but 4, 0. Okay. Here previously I think we did not write here. So just write it down. Okay. Y is greater than equal to 2 and this condition x is greater than equal to 3. Then only we get to know which line it indicates. 4 and next one B is 0, 6. So here it is less than or equal to, so it will be a bonded line. So here it is 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 12. Fine. Here inequality states that it is true the solution region lies towards the origin. We just drawing it lightly. Okay. And the next one, x is equal to 1, which is your C coordinate, 1, 0. So it lies away from the origin. This you can write it as x greater than equal to 1. Okay. And next y is greater than equal to 2. So we will be getting D point here. So it is away from the origin. So as I have drawn so much of shaded region here, what you can make out the inequality of the first one, that is 3x. Here it goes towards the origin side, that is towards the origin 0, 0. Next you just check with x greater than equal to 0, it moves away, so it is moving away. Next this one, that is y greater than equal to 2, it is moving away, that is in this manner. So I think we are getting a feasible region here. So this you can write it as so here it will be 2x plus y is equal to 6 and 2x plus y is greater than equal to 6. This is your first inequality. And the second one, x plus 4y is equal to 12 and 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 12. So in this condition I think we will be getting answer here when x is 0, y is 6, which is nothing but b 0, 6. Okay. And the next one, when y is equal to 0, so here I think we will be getting x value as 2, 3 is 6. So a is nothing but 3, 0. Why I am just writing in the form of arrow marks is because you are going to understand whatever graph I am doing it very easily. For that reason I am using the line like arrow mark. See that you are going to write it as case 1, case 2, okay, separately, and later you are going to draw the graph. Fine. Now here just substitute 0, 0. So when I substitute 0, it will be 0 greater than equal to 6. Therefore, it is false. The solution region lies away from the origin. And the next inequality, when x is equal to 0, so y coordinate what are you getting? 4 3s are 12. So which is nothing but, already we have considered here A, B, so I will be considering this as D. Why D? Is because it is nothing but the y coordinate. Okay, you can use any other alphabet also. Next, when y is equal to 0, so it will be x is nothing but 4, which is nothing, C coordinate 4 comma 0. Okay. Next one, substitute 0 comma 0. So obviously 0 is less than or equal to 12. Therefore it is true. The solution region lies away. As it is true, the solution region lies, towards origin. Fine. So just draw the graph. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The first inequality. So what is the first inequality coordinate point we have? A is nothing but 3 comma 0. And next B is nothing but 0 comma 6. So as it is greater than or equal to, so it will be a bounded line. So you can write it here on the line, 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 6. So you can just check with this inequality solution. The solution region lies away from the origin because it does not satisfy here. So it will be away from the origin. And next one, C is what? 4 comma 0. And D is what? 0 comma 3. And just check out with the inequality, it is a bounded line. So you can write it here, 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 12. So here it is moving towards the origin. You can just check where both the inequalities are meeting. This point, which is nothing but called as a feasible region, or even it is called as a solution region. Hope you have understood these 3 problems which I have already solved on the board now. Okay, it is very simple, students. It is very easy to score 5 marks. It is not so difficult here. Only you need to just solve for equality and inequality and later just go on substituting the values. Okay, and you will be getting their A coordinate, that is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. You will be getting A coordinate and B coordinate, same as for the second inequality. And later just you are going to draw the graph and be very much careful when you are taking with the solution region. Why I am saying this is because, especially when it comes to the shaded part, just check the inequality, whatever you are getting. If it does not satisfy, it is away from the origin. If it satisfies, it is towards the origin. Okay? Hope you have understood. Just check out. Compared to the previous problems, the fourth one is little bit different. So I want you to concentrate here. Okay? So what difference you just get to know now after solving. See that you are going to write it as case 1, case 2. Okay? So x plus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. 2x minus y is equal to 0. and 2x minus y is greater than 0. So here I think you will be getting y coordinate point. When x is equal to 0, I think y you are getting 4, b is nothing but 0 comma 4. Next, when y is equal to 0, you will be getting x as 4. So a is nothing but 4 comma 0. Inequality 0 plus 0. I think 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0. 0 is greater than equal to 4. Therefore, it is false. The solution region lies away from origin. Fine. And the next one we'll just check out. So when x is equal to 0, it is nothing but d is nothing but 0 comma 0. Next one, and y is equal to 0. So 0, 0, 2x into 0. So sorry, 2x minus 0 is equal to 0, and 2x is equal to, therefore x will be nothing but equal to 0. Therefore c is nothing but 0 comma 0. Can I just check what difference it is from the previous problem and this one? So just substitute 0 comma 0, you are getting a 0 greater than 0. So whenever you are getting 0 greater than 0, always remember here we will be substituting x as 1 and y as 2. Okay, any one point you can consider, either x as 2 or y as 1. Why? Because we need to know the solution, the shaded region there. So what I am going to solve? So you might be thinking here what we need to consider whenever it comes in this condition. So you can substitute x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So in this case, if I substitute x is equal to 2, this is a special case, okay? Either you can interchange and substitute the values. So here I am getting 2 into 2 minus 1 is greater than 0. 2 2s are 4 minus 1 is greater than 0. Therefore 3 is greater than 0. So as 3 is greater than 0, it lies towards the origin side. Is it clear? Are you understanding why I substituted x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1? Only because here inequality we had as 0 greater than 0. In the beginning of this exercise I just told, in one question you will be getting 0 greater than 0. In this condition, see that you are going to substitute any values, that is x and y, and just see what inequality sign you are getting here. Okay, here we have got 3 greater than 0. So you just check where on the x-axis the point lies and there you are going to indicate it. So the first one here, what it is going to be, a is nothing but 0 comma 4. So a is nothing but 4 comma 0. And next b is nothing but 0 comma 4. As it is a bonded line. And it says that 0 is greater than or equal to 4. So it is false. It lies away from the origin. Okay. Now let us check with the C. C is nothing but what? Here 0 comma 0. Yes. And what about D? D also is the same point. 0 comma 0. So always remember, whenever we are getting in this way, it will be passing through the origin. And just check out here, inequality is greater than. So when it is greater than, less than, I said it will be a dotted line. So this is nothing but x plus y is greater than or equal to 4, and the dotted line is nothing but 2x minus y is greater than 0. So here we are getting 3 greater than 0. So just check where the 3 coordinate point lies. It lies here. Okay. So where will we getting the solution region? To the downwards, that is to the lower half plane, not the upper half plane. We will be getting towards the lower half plane. So whatever points you want to consider x and y, based on whatever answer you are getting, that will be your solution region. So this is nothing but your solution region where both the inequalities are meeting. So repeatedly I am saying, whenever we have a graph where the coordinate points of C are 0, 0 and D is nothing but 0, 0, in that when you are getting inequality as 0 greater than 0 or 0 greater than equal to 0, in that condition always it will be passing to the origin, and see that you are going to consider x and y certain points. Why we need to consider? Because we need to know that whether it lies on the upper half plane or the lower half plane, the solution region. For that reason we are going to consider these points, okay, and just check where it is going to lie. Fine. Based on that we will be just shading the region. Hope it is clear. So till now it has not been asked in the exam, but see that you are going to be very thorough with this problem. I think similar like this we have 2 more problems. Fine. So let us move on to the next one. So here it is 2x minus y is equal to 1, and here it is 2x minus y is greater than 1. So in this condition I think you will be getting, when x is equal to 0, you will be getting y is minus 1. So your b is nothing but 0, minus 1. Next, when y is equal to 0, you will be getting your point as 1 divided by 2. Half. So a is nothing but 1 by 2, 0. So that is 0.5. And next one, let us move on with this inequality. So 0 is greater than 1. Obviously it is false. The solution region lies away from origin. Okay. And the next one, x minus 2y is equal to minus 1 and x minus 2y is less than minus 1. The same step throughout all the 15 problems in the exercise. So here what are we getting? When x is equal to 0. Fine. I think here you will be getting y is equal to 1 by 2, which is nothing but your d 0, 1 by 2. Next, when y is equal to 0, so you will be getting your x as minus 1, which is your c, minus 1, 0. So 0 is less than minus 1. So as 0, what inequality we have got here? 0 is less than minus 1. Is 0 less than minus 1, students? Obviously not. Yes or no? 0 is greater than minus 1. Therefore it is false. The solution region is away from origin. Greater than, it will be a dotted line. but 0, 0.5. So as it is a dotted line, see that you are going to just draw the dotted line very neatly, okay? So x minus 2y is less than minus 1. So it is false, so it lies away from the origin. Fine. Can you just check out when we are drawing here the point where it is minus 1? So you think you can just check here if it is meeting here. When you are drawing it on the graph neatly, you will get the notes. Now let us check with the sixth problem. So x plus y is equal to 6 and x plus y is less than or equal to 6. Same way with the second inequality. So x plus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. So here when x is 0, y is 6, which is nothing but b is equal to 0, 6. And next one, when y is equal to 0, x is 6. So which is nothing but a is 6, 0. 0 is less than or equal to 6. Why 0? 0, 0 we are substituting just to know whether it lies towards the origin or away from the origin. So the originality points, when you substitute, you will be getting 0 less than or equal to 6. Therefore it is true the solution region lies towards origin. Fine. And here when x is 0, y we are getting 4, which is nothing but b is 0, 4. And next one, when y is equal to 0, x you are getting 4, which means c is nothing but 4, 0. Okay. Now just substitute. So 0 is greater than or equal to 4. Obviously it is false because 0 is not greater than or equal to 4. Therefore, the solution region lies away from origin. Let us just draw the graph quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, which is your x, and y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So just consider the a coordinate point 6, 0 and next b coordinate point 0, 6. As it is less than or equal to, it will be a bonded line, which is nothing but x plus y is less than or equal to 6. So it satisfies, means the inequality is true, therefore it lies towards the origin. Hope you are understanding what I am solving here on the board. Next point is what? C is nothing but 4, 0 and D is also nothing but 0, 4. Okay. As it is greater than or equal to, so it will be a bonded line and it is false, so it will move away from the origin. So this is nothing but x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. Okay. As it is moving away from the origin, just check. This is the solution. So which I have darkened. Can you just check? The part which is darkened or shaded is nothing but the solution region. Hope you have understood the 6 problems.